First is an improvement of what we saw on ground, and knowing where we are coming from. It is very clear to every resident in Imo State that the Imo Waste Management Agency have changed the narrative, and that at least our capital city, Owerri, is relatively clean, but it's still a job in progress. So as a way of supporting that job, I'm convinced that the current CEO understands the business. So we have to make available all the tools needed for the job to be done. It is on that note that we've been able to procure all these items. This is the first phase. The second phase is coming. The government will invest all that is needed. But in return, I also want to use this opportunity to let the residents in Imo State know that Owerri will be clean, something will be paid for it. So we don't grant semi-autonomy to Imo Waste Management Agency to generate their own resources and maintain these items that we procure. Therefore, this to the glory of God and service to humanity. That today, in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit,